Hello everyone, so here comes our today's question. So two numbers are given and we have to determine that between these two numbers, how many integers have tens digit 1 and unit digit 3. So we can see that from 1 to 100, there is only one number 13 which satisfies our condition. Similarly, from 101 to 200, there is again one number which is 113, and from 201 to 300, again there is one number which is 213. So we can conclude that in every 100 numbers, there is one number which satisfies our condition. It means we have to determine the number of hundreds between these two numbers. So this is a formula which we are going to use here. The numbers between A and B, when both A and B are included, is this. Similarly, the numbers between A and B, where both A and B are excluded, is equal to this. And the numbers between A and B, when either A or B is included, is equal to this. So using this pattern, the number of hundreds between these two numbers can be calculated by using this formula. So the result is 1339. So the right answer is option E.